Do you have the time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once?
Man, I feel like a woman.
Where my dogs at? We right here, dog. Where my dogs at?
So how are we all bloody doing? Hey? So it's day 20 of no alcohol. Day 20 for Grace as well, no meat. We feel fantastic. Well, I do. How do you feel?
3 weeks and feeling amazing.
Bloody fantastic.
We're on a kind of therapeutic stroll in a set of woods we've never been in before. Just have a little look about, you know what I'm saying? And we are in the wonderful town of Minehead, and you kind of get the best of both worlds in these woods. If you can hear that, that is the sea. The beach is literally just down there, and the forest is obviously up here where we are. So when you come onto Minehead seafront, instead of going to Butlins, which is the other end, you come down to the far end. You will come to this place, you can't miss it. It is a really nice walk up in the woods, and like I say, the beach is just down there, and Grace is hunting out some sort of mountain bike spots. Hey up, squirrels!
So cute.
You alright?
Oh, there's people there, shush.
Squirrelsy! That's it, just grip your old shoes in. Don't be slipping now. So yeah, full scout from top to bottom. It's all just sort of natural trails. It is dead at the top, not a soul to be seen, and there are some sketchy old steps and stuff to come down.
Oh my god! Any more?
So yeah, we've just made it down from the top, and that's the second mountain biker I've seen. There was one climbing up the hill. I was waiting for one to come down. We've seen a few tyre tracks, but no sort of activity. But we get to the bottom and someone just come down. Some of the tracks up there, really fun, but natural. So sometimes it's nice to come into a set of woods, have a little look about, so it's not a waste of time. Will I return? Yeah, I'll drag Grace up there so you can film me ride down some stuff. Nice little viewpoint, and yeah, that's the woods we was just in. It is massive.
That's Butlins.
So yeah, talking of Butlins, the dates are on the screen right now because I can't remember the exact dates. It's in July, I'm sure it was in July. Nitro Circus are doing an all-weekender at Butlins in Minehead, which is kind of mental. So Travis Pastrana, whether he'll be there, I'm sure he will be there. Travis Pastrana and the Nitro Circus crew are doing a mad weekend in Butlins, which is yeah, mental. Will I be going? I don't know. Could go there. Redcoats. Have a mad weekend in Butlins. If you've never been, it's interesting. Butlins is interesting. That's all I can say. That's where the Nitro Circus will probably be, inside that tent there, and the entrance is yeah, there. Bloody marvellous. So yeah, I didn't mention, right, I hit 9,000 subscribers on YouTube the other day, so I'm kind of a big deal now, and as a celebration for this, I bought myself a car, and it is an absolute beast. I went over to the local McDonald's. I was there revving my engine and stuff. All the lads would give me high fives and that. Called my friend up, Dugsy, last night. We took it out for a good old burn, and yeah, I hit sort of a ton 40 with ease. We were listening to Scooter, it was mad, and yeah, someone nicked me wheels. We only crashed it last night already. Someone has nicked the wheels off it. Windscreen, my head kind of went through the windscreen. So yeah, I was kind of a big deal for a little bit, and now it's just gone tits up, to be honest. My roof is knackered. I had a little chat with me matey, my local mechanic, and he said we might be able to sort of buff a few things out. He said we'd be able to tweak the roof quite nicely. It was someone's nicked me stereo. But yeah, we came through this hedge here at a ton 40, flipped it 6 times, and yeah, Grace is not impressed. Look, there's me light. Me light's made it over here, look, not even attached anymore. Yeah, it's a sad time, really.
Right now, say Lord have mercy!
I've got the money, I've got the place.
Don't know what to do, to be honest. Just got to battle on with Corsa for now. Still can't believe someone nicked me wheels. Crazy. Unbelievable. But yeah, me painting trousers is still in there. Like I said, someone nicked me stereo. They soon had that away. But yeah, it's just a mad time, to be honest. Just mad times. Caught up in the tape. I'm gonna send this to me lads, send it to me boys. I'll be posting on Insta later. Put this on Insta later as well. So yeah, that's that. My Focus titanium, someone nicked me number plate. It was a beast for a little bit. I had loads of horses underneath the bonnet, but rest in peace, old friend. He can like sort of sit there with the cows and stuff. Quick, Grace, the Rozzers are coming. Quick, Grace, the Rozzers. Evidence. Get over the gate, quick. I can hear sirens. Told you they're coming, look, they've got the sirens. Shit. Oh no, it's the ambulance. They think we've crashed again. I bloody needed that. A little flashback just to showcase how crazy the scene has been on the BMX front over the years. Most of that footage is pretty much 10 years old now, and a lot of those spots don't exist anymore. Some of those skate parks do exist, but they're completely different now. Can you recognise any of them? They might be your local spot. Some of you are probably worried about Dugsy right now. We had the crash, my head went through the windscreen. Dugsy, he broke both his legs. He was doing a no-foot can-can out the window. 140 straight through the edge, mental. But with all the revenue coming through, tons of money and stuff, I sorted him out. There he is, Dugsy up on the roof. He's up on his wheelchair. Cost a bloody fortune, but I sort you out, son. Absolute mentalist. So I actually sent a letter the other day to the Queen saying about Phil, because Phil crashed his car as well. I said, look, don't be too hard on Phil. I also crashed my car recently, and maybe me and Phil can get together and have a sort of little race at the racetrack and stuff. We might even go over to Florida, jump on Adam LZ's channel, me, Phil, Dugsy. We could have a good old race, see how that sort of pans out. But the crazy thing is, Phil, 97. I'm nearly 32. Phil, the mad bastard, 3 times my age, and he's rolling a Range Rover. So yeah, all that needs to go. Ah, that's better. And now my BMX needs to come. There it is. Yeah, just having a quick cup of tea, just to sort of wet my whistle. So the plan is, it's 2019, first BMX mission of 2019. Challenge 19 back hops on a BMX, or cherry hops. Don't think I've ever done one before on a BMX, but yeah, in the kitchen. In the kitchen, nice and clear now. Shut the door. 19 back hops on the BMX. This is kind of like my flatland area, my flatland zone. So if I pass the camera to Grace, beautiful, look at that. My first bunny up of 2019 on a BMX. Hopefully I don't hip up roof. Right. Well, it's actually quite a good bit of space, isn't it? Right, so hopefully this brake is working well. Quite radiator is boiling.
14.
My rim's a little bit. I need to. Oh, that goes up dead ass. Because I've come into a hot kitchen, the condensation has gone on my rim, so it was slippery. No excuses, but that's what happened. I was going alright. First ever major attempt, me and Danny McCaskill.
$15, $16, $17, $18, $19. Yes!
One bang, did that one bang. Now he took the cooker out, the fridge out, the radiator out. So I'll think about this. I want to do a 720, but keep hopping around, so I've got to go round twice just to finish it off. We'll speed this up. Ready? Oh, I'm like a flatland king. So yeah, that is how you turn your kitchen into a sort of flatland spot through winter. Hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.
Dead.
Got like an 8-pack. 2-pack ain't dead. 8-pack turned up.
Can't believe I'm still on the counter.
Hey, what are you doing like that? Christ.